Hi, I'm Tatiana, and today I'm going to teach you how to deep clean your teeth without a dentist. I don't have access to a dentist right now, and I don't know if you do either. We're on lockdown for the next month, and I want my teeth feeling fresh and clean. So I have some tools that I'll be sharing with you in this video on how I deep clean my own teeth. Now, I'm not a dentist, I'm not a dental hygienist. So clean your teeth at your own risk. But these are some basic tools that you can find in just about any store, or you can order them online. So stay tuned to watch and I'll show you how I deep clean my teeth at home.
Okay, first you want to wash your hands thoroughly before you brush your teeth, because you are going to be touching your mouth and your face, so just make sure you're clean. And then also wash your utensils thoroughly as well, and then use warm water to wet everything, and then go ahead and dry everything and put it in a separate spot all ready to go. Okay, I just washed my hands once more just because I touched everything, and I just want to make sure that I'm super clean and ready to wash my mouth. Okay, so first you can start with floss, and you basically wrap it around your finger and get a tight grip. Then in the mirror you can look at your teeth. You can start from the bottom, and you want to hug each tooth. So by hugging the tooth, you're going to put the floss all the way down on the tooth into the gum. And if your gums bleed, that just means that you need to do this more often. You should be doing it about once a day, and you'll get stronger gums from doing so. And then I use clean water to rinse it out. Then this little thing has a rubber end on it, and it just basically gets anything that might be stuck from between the gums after flossing. And then I use this pick to remove any plaque that might be around my teeth. I especially get this on the bottom row of my teeth because they're all so close together. You can see that one of my tooth is crooked because they're so close together. But anyway, so that's where a lot of the plaque builds up, and so I'm using this pick to break down the plaque and then remove it. And then in doing so, I'm also rinsing out the pick every once in a while, just so that I can get rid of all of the plaque. And then I rinse out my mouth with water. Then I use this little sander. It feels like a sandpaper, and I'm basically removing any of the plaque that is on the front of my teeth. So I'm just going to go from tooth to tooth. If it has a rough sound, it's probably because there is plaque, and if it's smooth, it's probably because you're done. So I'm just going to keep doing this until it's all smooth. And then I also turn the sander so I can get the other rough spots of the sander, and then I will rinse out my mouth. And then I also do the top portion of my teeth, and I just try to get as much off as possible. Okay, now I'm going to use this tongue scraper, and basically I'm just going to rinse it off just at first and start from the back of my tongue and scrape it forward. And I'll do this about 2 or 3 times until I get all of the dirt from my tongue off. Then I'll take my toothbrush and put it in some toothpaste and wet my toothbrush, and then start from the back of my teeth and start in a circular motion around my mouth. So I'll go from the top to the bottom, and then I'll also get the tops of my teeth, and then I'll also get the backs of my teeth really well, as much as possible. If it foams up too much, you can spit out and then keep going. But this is basically just takes time and patience, but the more you do in a circular motion, the better. Then I will brush my tongue just to remove any dirt that might have gotten on my tongue after brushing my teeth. And then I'll rinse out my mouth about 3 times. And then this is an extra step. I don't usually do this, but just to keep things as sanitary as possible, I'm using mouthwash, which has alcohol in it, to sanitize my mouth. So it's a little bit too strong for me, so I add water, and I will swish it around in my mouth for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then rinse it out. And then I'll also rinse it out with another gargle of water. And then I'm done, and here's my smile. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you're quarantined in your house and you can't get to a dentist, I hope this helps you feel that deep cleaning that you might be needing, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks. Bye.